Why does the blood pressure increase in winter is a very common question I get from my patients. सर्दियों में ही blood pressure क्यों बढ़ा? Namaskar, I'm Dr. Major Namathanik Sinjanami Doctor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such useful information. In today's video, we will discuss कि blood pressure winters में क्यों बढ़ता है और उसको हम किस तरीके से डील कर सकते हैं. सो विंटर्स में क्या होता है, आपकी जो पेरिफेरल ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, मतलब जो आपके हाथ की, पैर की और जो आपके सिर के आसपास की ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, वो वेजो कंस्ट्रिक्ट कर जाती हैं. बिकॉज दैट मीन्स वो नैरो हो जाती हैं. जब वो नैरो हो जाती हैं, सो ओवरऑल देयर इज एन इंक्रीज इन द रेजिस्टेंस टू द ब्लड फ्लो, देयरफॉर लीडिंग टू increased blood pressure. Next is cold weather can also stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, which triggers a fight or a flight response. This increases the heart rate and the blood pressure. Also, there are certain seasonal hormonal changes. In winters, hormones like adrenaline and cortisol may rise and in response to cold and shorter daylight. These hormones contribute to elevated blood pressure. Reduced physical activity, often because of winter, colder weather, shorter days, people don't want to go out, leads to increase in blood pressure. Many individuals gain weight in winters. They tend to have some treats and they tend to gain weight because of shadi, because of this festive season, because of the treats that they are constantly having. This can additionally lead to a layer of atherosclerosis developing and narrowing of the blood vessels, because of which there is rise in blood pressure. People also tend to get dehydrated because in winters you're not very thirsty, you don't tend to drink a lot of water, because of which it can lead to dehydration. Also, there are heaters on inside the house and you tend to get dehydrated. There is constant loss of water through breathing and through your skin when the heater is constantly on. This can lead to thickening of blood and increased blood pressure. We also tend to have increased salt intake because of warm curries, warm soups. These are comfort foods. And winters में you tend to have these comfort foods with high salt content, high sodium content. Then this high sodium content can lead to retention of water, thereby leading to increased blood pressure. So how do we manage this increased blood pressure, or how can we prevent this increased blood pressure? One of the most important and very useful hack that I use personally with so many of my patients and have found to be very effective is that you wear a cap. You wear a cap, you cover your head, you cover your ears. By doing this, you are actually preventing a lot of heat loss from your head. Head is one place where there is a thick mesh or network of blood vessels. There is loss of heat from head whenever you don't wear a cap, go out in cold, or you're sleeping at night, your body is not active and the room is cold. At that time, if you wear a woolen cap and cover your head, the blood vessels are not vasoconstricted because they are not getting the signal of cold, and therefore they tend to be in a relaxed way. They are wide enough and there is no increase of blood pressure. So whenever your head, your hands, your feet, they are cold, there is vasoconstriction in the peripheral area. It sends a signal to the body that all the blood vessels need to constrict and not lose heat to the environment. So that is how you can, if you cover them, if you keep them nice and warm, they will stay in a dilated form. It will not send a signal to the body and it will not raise your blood pressure. Next is staying active. If you stay active, even if it's within the house, you can do some rigorous exercise. You can use a trampoline, you can use a treadmill and do some exercise inside the house. If that is not possible, do some yoga, do some squats and get that blood circulation going. This sends a signal to the body that the body is functioning fine, there is warmth, and it keeps your blood pressure controlled. Next is hydrate yourself, drink plenty of water even if you are not feeling thirsty, because in winters you will not feel thirsty. However, you will be dehydrated, especially if you are sitting in with heaters in your home. And last but not the least, eat wisely. Try not to have a lot of soup with a lot of salt, a lot of curry, because that nice warm curry with a lot of salt and sodium is a comfort food. You need to learn to avoid such foods. And second, you need to add potassium rich foods to your diet. This potassium is going to counter the effects of sodium and will not vasoconstrict, however will vasodilate your blood vessels. So foods rich in potassium are bananas, avocados, lemons and oranges. So add them to your diet. Stay cozy in winters and don't let that blood pressure rise. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share it with your near and dear ones. Namaskar.